Manipur sahi kaya gi mamang dagi khunda duna laglaba yellowi furup sing asibu kanjanaba landam asida inner line permit chana hanba ngamle ngamkhai sambal khabagi changsilagli prim moment regime yan khidre masi punaba asi karigidama pakhalagli banu haiba Meghalaya gi chief minister na khangba ngamra haina ngasi hana gi chief minister Biren Singh na Conrad Sangma da atamna attack tawkhre ngasi Biren Singh na ma ki ex handle da thagalakiba post amada matam amada union minister orambata natana speaker su eramlaba Conrad Sangma gi appa Purno Agitok Sangma na ingkumja lising ani ga tara marigi April marida Parliament House ki Lok Sabha da mahak masana awang nompokpu apikpa state macha macha semnaba demand tawkibagi video matek amasu post aduda thagatpada yarogli post aduda Biren Singh na makhatan haikibada laibak amobu mache tana thugainaba honaramba sing adugumna Manipur gi apunba saktam dasu sinarakpa leptri adumaku Manipur da oriba phibam asidi top phibam ni lamdam asida apikpa phurup kayana punsinduna semba lamdam ni Phurup Singh asibu ngakchanaba inner line permit chanahanba mathau tarakli masigi matakta mioi kanglup kharana mayai kaba chinjak sing sijin napham amadi lalon pham oirakhiba kanglon kaina mi top changlakhiba umang bamang kaya kotholakiba kaya chathatuna lakhi adubu sahi kaya amagi tungda haujiti lamdam asigi yaromi sing asibu ngakchanaba ILP chanahanba haure haujik tholiba irang asi Conrad Sangma na khanggadabadi masi mahausadagi thoklaga lakpa nate masidi masak khangdaba mapalamdagi niyom kaina hajilakhiba mioi khujo kharana kalakpadagi handakta thogalakpa thodogni haina Biren Singh na maki post adugi khutangda National People's Party gi su national president oiriba loinana Meghalaya gi chief minister su oiriba Conrad Sangma da atamnana attack tawri Biren Singh na Conrad Sangma bu maki post aduda take tawraduna makatana post adugi khutangda Manipur na masi khangbadagi ngamkhai sambal khabiu haiduna matam kayagi mamangdagi haijaduna lakiba sei Conrad Sangma na khangbra hanglagli Manipur gi ngamkhai paringda masak khangdaba khun kaya khunda salagli ba sei khangbra haina Conrad Sangma da hangladuna asigumba kaya asi thengnaduna leiringai cherakta atuba mina landam asigi thabakta khut thingjinbam thokte hairi amaromda Biren hai ngasidi awang nopok lamdamgi mioi kayana FMR, ILP amadi border fencing tawagi kanaba khangba horagle Manipur da thangnariba kaya asina mioi kaya da para ama tambiba ngamlasanu masida political gi khutong chaba launabagi matam natte landam asi tonga phuru kunthra ni thoina hanade khundami naduna laglaba lamdam amani maram asina mitop chogar patolasi haina aroibeta Biren Singh na maki post atu palagli
I think we must go for smaller states. I am in favor of smaller states. If America can have 50 states, which is 1/3 of our size, I think why should we not have 50 or more states in India? There are many areas where there is a demand for separate state. I have counted, it comes to almost 30. It is about 30. Haryat Pradesh, Awadh, Purvanchal, Bundelkhand, that's about UP. And many other states, I don't want to name everybody. In our eastern region, for example, or the northeastern region, demands for separate states. Gurkhaland, Kamtapur, Bodoland, Karbi Along, Garoland, my own tribe, is a Dimasa, Kuki land. So many demands are there. Vidarbha. I have been supporter of Vidarbha for the last 20 years. And I had the privilege of going into Vidarbha's feasibility in detail because the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi asked me to study and give him a personal report unofficially. I did it. And I strongly recommended for the creation of Vidarbha. Even today, I strongly support the creation of Vidarbha. But having said so, I think we should not go, in a hurry. I'm very happy that Telangana has come into existence. I wish both Telangana and Simandra all the best and success in their developmental activities. My suggestion, sir, is that the government of India should appoint the second State Reorganization Commission and let the State Reorganization Commission go into all the demands for the creation of new states.